Okay, so these are the practice problems for day 2 on the definite integral as area. So we're using these rules, okay? So let's look at number 1. So again, when I see this, this is f of x. This graph will only give me the area under f of x. So what I have to do is I have to rearrange number 1 using my rules. So the first thing I can do is negative 2 to 4 of 2 f of x is I'm going to split up my two integrals with that subtraction going on, minus the integral from negative 2 to 4 dx. So I split my integral in two with the same upper and lower limits. Okay? Then I'm going to move that 2 out in front. So this is from negative 2. This is a constant, which just leaves me with this, minus. Now, we can evaluate this integral really easily because this is the constant function and this is my limit. So basically this is 4 times from negative 2 to 4, that is 6. So this part right here is just going to be 24. So now I can evaluate this integral now because now it's just asking for the area under f of x from negative 2 here to 4. So these basically, this triangle, the area is 8, this part is 4, so you add up from negative 2 to 4 and you get 12. So this is basically 2 times 12, which is 24 minus 24, which equals 0. Okay? So I'm just using these rules here for definite integrals to simplify it so I can use this graph to evaluate my integral. Okay? So number 2, I've got the integral from negative 4 to 6 of 2 f of x dx plus the integral from 6 to 2 of 2 f of x dx, which means since they have this and this is the same, I can put this together to make my life easier and just evaluate one integral from negative 4. Since this one goes negative 4 to 6 and this one goes 6 to 2, I can just do this. Make one integral all the way from negative 4 to 2. And again, that constant I can move out in front. So negative 4 to 2 f of x dx. Now I need to find out the area from negative 4 to 2. So starting at negative 4, this area is 4, since it's underneath the x-axis is negative 4, and all the way to 2, right here, that's negative 4 plus 8, which is 4. So basically this is 2 times 4, which is, why did I put 8? 2 times 4, which is 8. So the answer to this one is 8. The answer to this one is 0. 0. Okay, so we're just using some of these rules. All right, let's look at this one. So again, I've got this that I'm going to split apart. So I'm going to get this integral from negative 4 to 6 to f of x dx plus the integral from negative 4 to 6 of 3 dx plus the integral from negative 4 to 6 of f of x dx minus the integral from negative 4 to 6 of 3 dx. Okay? And then again, fix this one a little bit. This is going to be 2 negative 4 to 6 f of x dx plus, and again this is just going to be 3 times the distance from negative 4 to 6, which is 10, plus the integral from negative 4 to 6 of f of x dx minus, and this is same thing, 3 times 10. Now up here, since we're dealing from negative 4 to 6, that's from here all the way to here. So that's 4. So basically it's negative 4 plus 8, which is 12. So this is 2 times 12 plus 30 plus 12 minus 30. So 30 plus 30, that's 0. 24 plus 12, which is 36. So this equals 36. Now, we could have, if you wanted to, actually come up here. If you notice, this and this are the same, so that, since it's plus and minus, that would have been 0 there. And then if you notice, we have 2 of these plus another one of those. So we could have wrote this as the integral, so this would be 3 times the integral from negative 4 to 6 of f of x dx, which would have just been 3 times 12, which is 36. So if you know your integral rules really well, and algebra still applies, because right here, this is basically this and this are the same. So if I'm adding, if I have 2 and then I'm adding another 1, I have 3. So don't forget your algebra. It'll make your life easier sometimes.